What is going on, guys? It is Mike. Welcome back to Tech 24/7 TV. It is great to have you back here. Now, today's video, we're unboxing another new product. This is the Pitaka MagEZ case for the iPad Pro and the iPad Air. Now, everyone knows what the problem is, right? So you have your iPad, if you put it in the Magic Keyboard or any of the other keyboard cases, the sides are going to be all exposed, allowing your iPad to get, have a bad day and get nicks and bruises on it. Well, this is basically a sleeve to protect your iPad Pro. Now, if you remember, I reviewed the Cover Buddy from SwitchEasy probably 3 or 4 months ago, and it was a great product at the time, and there was some trouble with that. If you remember, it didn't close correctly if you were using the Magic Keyboard. Well, good things, there's another company that's out here that's making a comparable product. I did go ahead and purchase this from Pitaka directly, which you can go ahead and find links to their website down in the description below. Now, this squarely addresses what I think those downfalls are. Now, the Pitaka case is all air mid fiber, just like all their products are, and it's a thin fit case for your iPad Pro. So when you are using it, whether it's in the Magic Keyboard, whether it's in the Slim Folio case, any of the accessories here, the sides of the iPad Pro are going to be protected. That is great. Now, this is a product, like I said here, is a sleeve that covers your iPad Pro. It covers the entire back. This product is made out of all air mid fiber, and it's really something that I think is kind of a no-brainer for having an accessory for your iPad. This allows the back to be completely covered, and it's going to stop anything from hitting your iPad and kind of causing bumps and bruises along the way. Now, if we look here along the top, we see that you got cutouts for the speakers, you have cutouts for the microphone, and then also for the power key here. This is a very tactile button, right? It works exactly as you expect it to. Here's that volume rocker button. All right, and then also you have the place for the Apple Pencil, and it magnetically attaches and charges as you would expect. Here along the bottom, you got the cutouts for the speakers again, and you have a nice big cutout for the USB-C plug. Now, one of the big problems with the version from Cover Buddy is that this didn't allow for many different sized USB-C plugs unless you're really using the Apple branded charger. Now, I don't know about you, but I use many different chargers in my life, many different USB-C cables, many different accessories that plug into the bottom of here. And for this one, I haven't experienced any issues with that yet. So this product here, now, when you flip it around this side, this is the exposed side. Obviously, this is the side that's going to be down inside of the Magic Keyboard. Now, let's go ahead and put it inside the Magic Keyboard. So here we have the Magic Keyboard case. Going to do a little finagling here, and you see it magnetically attaches. All right, that is in there. And like you would expect, this does close completely. You see here, there's no gap along the sides or along the bottom like there was with the Cover Buddy. If you look at this here, let's see if I can get this a good angle. There is a thin lip along the 3 sides of this case that where if you were to put this face down, it does absorb the any type of pressure being on this, and you should be able to go ahead and have this on there without it being scratched. Also, it should go ahead and be compatible with screen protectors if you have them on your iPad. Unfortunately, I don't use a screen protector, but if you end up picking one up and you use a screen protector, let me know how it fits down in the comments below. So it is nice in that respect. Now, if you want to take it off, what you're going to go ahead and do is, I just cut my finger here before the video shoot, so to be easy on myself, I'm going to go ahead and just kind of pry up the sides here, and then you see, comes up, and then there is the case itself. Inside, this is all going to be plastic and easy to put in, easy to take off, which is exactly what you want. Maybe you have to take it off for some reason, whatever the case is. You can go ahead and use this in any orientation, whether you're in portrait, whether in landscape, whether you're in the Magic Keyboard, whether you're on the couch. It doesn't necessarily matter. It does allow it to go ahead and be used. And it's a great addition to your iPad. For 70 bucks, it's really kind of a no-brainer in my opinion to protect your investment that costs, several $100s on up. Again, this is the Pitaka MagEZ case from Pitaka. This is $69.99, works with the 11-inch iPad Pro, the 12.9-inch iPad Pro, and now the new 11-inch iPad Air. I'll put links down in the description because the only place that I've seen that you can buy it is on Pitaka's website. As more places become available, I'll add that there in the video description. Otherwise, this is, I think, again, a no-brainer for $70 where you can pick this up, and it's going to, I think, just improve your experience with the iPad because you don't have to worry about anything happening on there. Actually, one thing here, I know about 90% of the people that are watching this video, you are subscribed. Now, I do this several times a week. If you like product review videos like this Pitaka case that you're watching, you like iPads, you like iPhones, whatever the case is, make sure you're subscribed, click notifications, because I have a ton of other content planned for the rest of the year. We have new iPhones coming, you know that. There's new Mac, I have accessory builds and holiday buyer's guides for all the new products that are coming out. I am Mike, this is Tech 24/7 TV. I'll catch you in the next one.